There she is. Oh, I love those 18-inch wheels. Those things look so good on that. They look so right. Anyway, I just got it outside because I wanted to clean up her side of the garage, get all the dirt and everything up, just so I can get on the ground a little bit better with it. Anyway, she's dirty. Lots of garage dust and crap that's on her, but don't worry. She'll get a nice clean bath when it's all done. I tried to cover some of it up with plastic just to kind of keep the level of dust on the top down to a minimum. Anyway, inside is looking pretty. So anyway, just wanted to get it out so I could clean up the garage a little bit. Let her stretch her legs a little bit now that she's back on her wheels. Oh God, those 18x8s, man, I do like the way they look. Really fit the feel. Got to get rid of that gold stripe though. That's coming once we get around the bodywork. Anyway, that is what I got. Full-size spare. Yeah, I know, it's dark, but it's what it is. Anyway, just figured I would show you what it looked like on the ground, since some people have been talking about it and asking to see. There it is. Anyway, it's late and I'm going to get to doing some sweeping and cleaning. See you guys.